In this video, we will show you how to remove the Siemens FMT020 display surround and install the Siemens Sun cover. Tools required are small flathead screwdriver, Siemens Sun cover. One of the best options to protect your investment is the Siemens Sun cover. They protect the screen from damaging UV rays, harsh environments, and physical damage. The best way to do this is to use a small flathead screwdriver and place it into the small slot located on the right-hand side or left-hand side of the teal-coloured plastic screen surround as shown. The screen surround should release and be easily removed. Now place the sun cover onto the housing, and with minimal downward pressure, you should hear it click into place. Now you're free to open and close the lid cover. And as easy as that, your screen is protected. If you have any queries about these products or other accessories, feel free to contact the Acrodyne engineering team for how Siemens Flowmeters could be successfully deployed on your project. Please be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of any future videos and click the links in the description below for more information about the products featured. And as always, thanks for watching.